I fill the tire with fresh air and I am going to have a quick ride in Bangalore from Kormangala. I don't know what is my destination. I just ride and enjoy. Bye bye. I reached to UB City. Here is one of the most expensive places in Bangalore and it's quite beautiful actually. And here you see Honda Pickwing and they sell high power bike of Honda. One or two of those bikes are my dreams and in the future I definitely will buy them. I mean Transalp 750, maybe NX 500 as well. Okay, bye bye. I reached in here, Blue City. You see, this is the most expensive place in Bangalore, I think. It's very beautiful building, but you will find nothing inside. There are just some very small amount of shops, very expensive one. Okay, so that you can see, I'm heading to Komal Park to have a quick ride there. It's very funny that they don't allow you to play badminton in the park, but you are allowed to ride with your cycle. It's very kind of funny and silly for me actually. Here is the Kovan Park. This guy maybe is learning how to play skate. And it's happening. Yeah, people are doing skateboarding and they're very cool people. Hello, on my way back I found this beautiful place. It's close to Coburn Park, but no one is in here and you can enjoy the peace. Unfortunately you can hear some noise of the cars, but still it's good. And you can hear the sound of birds as well. The squirrels, and look at this. Bye bye. I came to my friend's house now, and he's making a sweet potato plus some tea, and we are enjoying it. After visiting my friend and having a very nice chai and sweet potato, I reached to Indranagar. You can see this place. I like it very much because most of the time it's quiet and you can walk here. Either you can do cycling as I do. Yeah, even riding with motorcycle is fun as well in here, since the road is very nice and you can see the trees in this place. Even during the day, it's quiet night, not that much hot, so you can enjoy your riding or walking or anything you want to do. Finally, I came to Giant in Indranagar. I have a friend here. We had some conversation. I'm leaving now. I had a very nice ride with him, and he was also supporting us from behind. Yeah.